Welcome to the Ultimate Productivity Master Plan. This blueprint will help you build lifelong habits to get more done, reduce stress, and reach your goals faster. First, understand what productivity really means. Productivity is not about doing more things. It's about doing the right things that move you closer to your goals. Quality over quantity is key. Step 1. Set clear goals. Write down your most important goals. Break them into small, actionable tasks. This makes big goals easier to manage and less overwhelming. Step 2. Prioritize. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of tasks that give you 80% of the results. Identify your high-impact activities and do those first every day. Step 3. Plan your day. Every morning or the night before, create a simple to-do list. Limit it to 3 to 5 key tasks. This keeps your focus sharp and prevents distractions. Step 4. Manage your time wisely. Use time blocks or the Pomodoro technique. Work focused for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. This keeps your mind fresh and productive. Step 5. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and create a workspace where you can concentrate. This helps you stay focused and get into a deep workflow. Step 6. Learn to say no. Protect your time by saying no to tasks and requests that don't align with your priorities. This gives you more time for what truly matters. Step 7. Use tools to stay organized. Apps like calendars, task managers, and note-taking tools help keep everything in one place and reduce mental clutter. Step 8. Review and reflect. At the end of each day or week, review what you accomplished, celebrate your wins, and identify what can be improved. This keeps you on track and motivated. Finally, remember that productivity is a journey, not a destination. It takes consistent effort and smart habits. Stick to your plan, be patient, and watch your life transform. This is your lifetime blueprint for productivity. Use it every day and success will follow.